Taiwan, people often cough and don't think it's a big problem. But that's the problem.
多人因为肺阻塞死亡，尤其40岁以上民众。
According to statistics, about 400,000 people in Taiwan have already suffered from lung obstruction, but haven't sought medical attention. A survey also shows that 80% of patients miss the golden treatment period. In fact, doctor advise if you have had a chronic cough for more than 3 weeks, you should undergo a pulmonary function test. Question: how to raise people's awareness of chronic cough symptoms? People don't pay attention when someone coughs. But what about pets? We have brought in a traffic secret pet to speak for the coughing. Discuss as a popular pet video to draw attention, we launched a social media video, the Coughing Parrot. Created a parrot imitation show that allows people to hear their own chronic cough symptoms. At the end of the video, remind people that they may be coughing too often, to the point that even their pet parrots have started to imitate them. Make people aware of their chronic cough problem in their daily life.